Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your Netflix account. Watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's jump into it. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC. Now in there, search for netflix.com. After that, you will land it to its official homepage and there tap on email address box and type in your email address for your Netflix account. Now once you're done with typing your email address, tap on get started button and again tap on next button. Now create a password for your Netflix account. Now tick on square box if you don't want any special offers email from Netflix. Now if you're done with filling all the details, tap on next button. Now again tap on next button. After that, you have to choose the subscription plan for your Netflix account. Here you can see different kind of subscription plan with its price and the details of that subscription plan. Choose the best one for you. Once you choose the plan, scroll a bit down and tap on next button. Once you tap on it, you will ask for your payment method for your subscription. Now choose the payment method and then type in all the details of your payment method. Once you're done with it, tick this I agree box and then tap on start membership button. Once you tap on start membership button, your account will be created and then you will be able to watch Netflix anywhere at any time. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.